Dear viewers, are you facing any challenges in PowerPoint? Do you want to learn PowerPoint interface in a minute? Today, I will teach you how to learn PowerPoint interface in minutes. And what are you going to learn in this tutorial? You will know what is PowerPoint interface, know different parts of PowerPoint interface, navigate Ribbon confidently, locate and use basic tools for creating and formatting slides, differentiate between tabs. We have different tabs in PowerPoint. As a student, we have different tabs. As a researcher, a lot of tabs. We have home design, a lot of times we're able to know what is inside those tabs. And also we're able to differentiate and switch between different views, be it normal view, slide view, shorter view, notes, pages, know where is comment, know a lot of things in PowerPoint. I will teach you everything in PowerPoint, all the interface. Don't miss lecture for any reason. Please follow me bit by bit. Alright, let's dive into PowerPoint interface. The first thing you will do is to go to taskbar, double click on the PowerPoint software, or you navigate to this start button. Once you click on the start button, you click on search, you type PowerPoint. Once you click on PowerPoint, will come up. You see the software here. You can double click on it or right click and select open. If you don't want to do that, you can go to that taskbar, double click on the PowerPoint software, it will open. Once it opened, you will see this environment. The environment contains different designs and blank presentations. But now, if you want to if you have any topic you want to do, you can select. Maybe you don't know how to design, you can use any template here for your presentation. Or you want to design by yourself, which you want to do now, you want to do the interface, you can select blank presentation. Once you select blank presentation, you will see the interface. This is the interface of PowerPoint. And if you look at here, you will see one slide. Once the interface opened, you will see one slide containing this is the top layer of the slide, containing click to add title or click to add subtitle. Now, this interface is called PowerPoint window. It's called the PowerPoint window. That is the PowerPoint window. Everything here are called PowerPoint window. Okay? Now, this is PowerPoint window. The first thing we see in PowerPoint window, this PowerPoint window is also called canvas, just like a canvas. Okay? So the first thing you will see in this PowerPoint window is the title bar. The title bar. Okay, this is the title bar. This title bar is where the name of the document you are working with will be saved. If you look at here, you will see a default name, presentation 1. Presentation 1. But if you save your name, it will come up here with, and if you save maybe John, it will come up here John. How can you save? You click on file button, you click on file, it will take you to save. You click on save. Another dialog box will come up. You do what? You put the name you want to save it with, and it will come out in the title bar. Okay, it will come up in the title bar. Apart from the title bar, if you look at the right hand side, this one is called the control button. In the control button, it contains the close button. If you click on the close button, it will close the application or the window. The next one is called maximize button. This is called the maximize button. This is now restored. If you click on maximize, it will enlarge the content of the window. Then this is called minimize button. If you click on the button, it will minimize or reduce the content to the taskbar, or the way you go back to PowerPoint again, you select it, will come up. This one is called the ribbon display option. We will not teach this one now until I finish teaching you ribbon. This is called the Microsoft PowerPoint help. If you want to open PowerPoint, you can press in your keyboard, you can press F1 and which will come up. This simply means where you can ask PowerPoint question. You can ask question and PowerPoint will give you the answer provided you are connected, your internet is connected. Okay, now, but this is what happened in the right hand side of this title bar. Now, if you look at this left hand side of the title bar, you will see what we call customized quick access toolbar. All these tools that are here, you can easily change them or customize them. Okay, this one is called save, this one is called undo, this one is called open. Now, if I don't want a new, if I don't want this one to be there, I can easily uncheck this. It will go. I, I can uncheck all of them. Okay, if you remove all of them, you can remove all of them and you put all of them back. Undo. Okay, okay, you can do or repeat. Now you want to put it back again, you can, this is what you do, you can, this is where you can change the shortcut. All these toolbar here, quick access toolbar, help you to work more faster when you are doing, when you are arranging your slide for presentation. Okay, that is why it is placed there. Now, if you don't want this toolbar, that this quick access toolbar that is on top, if you want it to be below the ribbon, you can click on show below the ribbon and it will come up here, show below the ribbon. If you want it to go back to where it is, you can click back, it will go back. This one, apart from title bar, left button and right button, we have what we call the ribbon. This is also part of the window, Microsoft window. It even contain the tabs and the tools each one contains. Okay, so first example, we have home tab. Once you click on home tab, you see the tool that you use for formatting, editing, and doing a lot of things that you want to do in your slides. Okay, now for this one, now if you look at the insert, you can see a lot of tools that you use to do your work. Then design, the same thing, transitions, the same thing, animation, the same thing, slide. These are the tabs that you can find in your PowerPoint and which I will teach individually. Now, this one is called slide pane. Slide pane. So in this slide pane now, once you click on this slide pane, you will see this one, this measure slides. Okay, now this slide, now this is what we call slide, this is what we call slide, this is what we call, and inside the slide, this is thumbnail of this slide. You can add other slide, but let's finish with it. In this slide now, you will see this one is called dotted line and horizontal line. Dotted line and horizontal rectangle here is called the placeholder, and this is title placeholder, and we have subtitle placeholder here. In this title placeholder is where you can introduce what you want in the slides. Example, introduction, you can put introduction. Okay, introduction, you introduce the what you want to say, then you now put subtitle of the introduction. Another one again, you can introduce problem statement, problem problem statement, and you continue saying what you want to say in this subtitle holder. You understand? You can add many thumbnails here. You can add many slide thumbnail by clicking on, by this side, you right click, you click on new slide, new slide, new slide, new slide. By if you click on any one, you click on new slide, Then assuming you like problem, there is difference between that. Another one again, when you like click on it, you see what we call duplicate slide. The difference for new slide. When you duplicate slide, I want to duplicate this slide now. You click duplicate slide. It will duplicate the first one to the next one. But if you say new slide, it will add new slide without anything. So that's if you want to maintain the same format, the same title, text font and style, you click on the duplicate slide. Okay, then if you want to delete any slide, you can highlight the slide that you want to delete, click on duplicate, click on delete slide. So a lot of things that we add here, a lot of things. So now, assuming you like something here, maybe you say introduction, introduction. Okay, I think you write introduction here. Okay, here, and here you made a mistake. You want to put this one first. You can click on the slide, drag it up. It will move. The other one will move down. This one will not be the first. So that is how to do that. Or you go to these own tabs again. You see the field layout. You can select this placeholder now. This slide here having this thumbnail. They have different designs. This I will teach you when I will be teaching home tab. Different designs. For example, this one is different from the one we saw before. They have different designs. This is what I will teach when I will teaching home tab in this same channel. So, okay, apart from this, now we have what we call ruler. See ruler here. This ruler help you to maintain straight line. If you are maybe if you are working with anything, you want it to be in the same straight line. I want it to be in the same straight line. This ruler will help you by doing what once you click on it. Once you click on it, you see it. You're able to check whether they are in the same straight line. We have both horizontal and vertical ruler. So we have, apart from this ruler, we have what we call look at this. We have what we call clipboard. The clipboard, this one for clipboard now. We have all the drop down there. This one for clipboard. Once you click on it, you will see what different drop down for this clipboard. Then another one again for font, you have different drop down for it. You have different drop down for what you use to navigate in your work. You understand? That is it. So apart from this one, you will move to what we call a scroll bar. This scroll bar help you to This scroll bar help you to move your slides up or down. You move it up or down. You have both vertical and horizontal scroll bar. Apart from this, we have what we call status bar. This one is called status bar, where you have notes where you can write. Maybe you are doing presentation, you can write anything for remember. You can write anything that will help you to remember what you are saying during presentation. Then you can add comments. Then under here we have what we call view area, where you can, this is a normal one, this is normal which one we are using. You can click on this slide shorter. You can short your slides. You can all the slide that you can short it like this. Then this one you can make it as a you can make it like this, or you can go back and normalize it. This one normal is normalize it. Do you understand? The other one again, we have what we call zoom button. You can zoom your slide up or zoom it down depending on what, but the normal one is 100%. Then the last one, this one is called status bar. This one is called tax bar. This is where you have other softwares. Okay, so that is all about PowerPoint interface. Then we have what we call sign up button, micro sign up account. You can sign up here for you to register in this PowerPoint. You can add your picture here. So that is what we can call PowerPoint interface. If you have any other question, please ask in comment section. This is about PowerPoint interface, and this is all you need in PowerPoint interface. In other tutorial, I will teach you all the tabs, each of them. Please don't miss it. If you find this lecture important, if you don't like this lecture, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.